And welcome back, everybody. Righty ho. Previously job we did video. We updated this, put the roof on, so we got a basic idea of roof form and all that sort of stuff. Let's imagine, because I've had a chance to sort of analyse this design a little bit more and have a bit of a think about it. Let's just imagine that single garage is not enough. Or the clients turn around and come back to us and said, I want, I now want a double garage. Okay, so let's have a look at one of the ways we could do that without upsetting the rest of the design, of which luckily enough we don't have. Okay, so anyway, so the key thing here is that in Australia, if we're to do a double garage, general rule of thumb, the minimum internal dimensions 5.5 meters across and 6 meters internal. Okay, so we're going to adapt that placement. And it's a pretty easy job overall. I mean, we know that this is 3510. Okay, so theoretically we could actually just grab everything that we see here and using our move command, down the bottom here in the left hand corner it says click to enter the start point, which is our base point. So I can click anywhere. Okay, and I could say there 2000 millimeters, and I'll just type enter. Okay, do a quick measure along here, which is sort of where the bedroom thing is, 3.6. So we've got a better design already. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go Control Z, undo that, and just very quickly show you another way of doing it. Let's say we just had a little bit more of an oddball measurement that the client wanted, or we were constrained to. So I'm just going to type in DL for a detail line. I'm going to go zoom in all the way in there. I'm just going to grab that plasterboard interface for starters. I'm just going to draw a short line there. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one. Actually, and then I can go to my Modify tab. Okay, we've got a wonderful function here called Offset, okay, which AutoCAD users will be familiar with. So I can now go on Offset. Let's say, for example, the garage was to be 4,450 millimeters. Okay, I don't need to copy this line, but I will, just to sort of show you where it things. So with the offset thing, we just say, right, well, these are our number, and then down the bottom left hand corner it tells us select a wall or a line to offset. So I'm just going to go zoom out a little bit. If I hover over that line, okay, you'll see above it there's a light blue line appearing. Okay, so that's showing us where this line will be offset to. Left click, there it goes. So what I can now do is I can do things. So I could use my align tool to align this with that. However, if I use my control button and select everything, okay, and try my move button, I reckon there's a pretty good chance that I can just move all that straight up there. Okay, hit delete there, hit delete there. Okay, and use my measuring tool just very quickly, 4,450. So I'm happy with that. Okay, so that's a couple of ways of doing things. Okay, moving walls around. Okay, so we're just going to leave it at that. Actually, we'll just very quickly click on that. Okay, we will actually undo all of that work with the offsetting malarkey. And I'm now just going to move all of this, MV for move, if you want to do it that way, 2 meters up. So we'll repeat what we did in the first assessment. So we've now got a true double garage, and we've got this house working for us. Okay, so we'll call it quits there. and we'll see you later for the next video.